extra special day. I wanna wish you happy birthday. May all your dreams come true today. 'Cause you're really one in a million, and you mean the world to me. There's no one sweeter than you to wish a happy birthday to.
Well, in case you hadn't guessed, it's my birthday. Well, not today, but it's my birthday weekend. So I'm very excited. I got a birthday present, a Christmas, what? No, I got a birthday present from my husband, who couldn't find the birthday bags in the house. So he found this beautiful bag that my friend made. My husband bought for me. It's from Yvette. We met her at a craft fair at Christmas time, and this is a beautiful bag that she painted. So my Christmas birthday present is in here. So, what did I get for my birthday? Well, you won't believe it. Are you as excited as I am? Well, I'm sure if this was sitting on your desk, you'd be as excited as I am. I've been wanting one of these for a while. I bought Tim Holtz's one because that's what I could afford. Then when that one just was horrible, I could not get it to work properly for me. It kept squishing everything because when you closed it, it would squish, and it was terrible. So I couldn't take it. So I bought the Stampin' Up one because I thought, well, maybe that would work, and it has worked for a while. But I really, really, really wanted this one. I had previously bought the Creative Corners in the thoughts that I would use that on my Tim Holtz one. Didn't work. They're too thick for that one. And then I thought they would work in the Stampin' Up. Nope, didn't work. Too thick. So, I really want this to work. And I want the magic that we see and the glitter that we see on the YouTube videos. So here we are. I almost took it out yesterday when I got it. I cut the tape open, but then I thought, well, what's the fun of opening it without you guys? So let's see what it's like. I've been waiting for so long. I just thought it'd be more fun to share with you. Nothing else, I don't think, in this box. Nope, nothing else in the box. I put it back in the Christmas bag. I've since told him where the birthday bags are. Let's hope that he will find it. This is My Sweet Petunia on there. I know that this, you're a little zoomed in, so it's a little hard to cover the whole thing. I didn't go for the MISTI Mini because I wanted to make sure. I've been used to the big ones, so I didn't care. I just wanted something that would cover everything. If I ever get a MISTI Mini, then fine, whatever. Does that stay on there? I don't know. What is this that's on here? Okay, it's the bottom, but you'd think that would make it lumpy. I don't know. No clue. So here we are. Are you in the camera? Yes, you're in the camera. Okay, so we've got our lid with our little pad of paper in here. See, this is what was bothering me, although now that I've seen that thing on the bottom, that's going to bother me. Anyways, okay, I'll try to focus on what bothered me about it. You see right here how it closes down onto it. And when it stops, well, helps if I put it in the camera. When it stops right at it, right? And then inside there is your lip where your stamp goes. What really bothered me about the Tim Holtz one is that there was a thing that would come up around the sides that it would hit down, and it would hit that, and my stamp wouldn't even be touching my card. So then I had to put in some foam to make it so that it would reach in there, and then it still would not hit my card properly. I also got this, which is that little mouse pad they talk about. I got 2 of those. In order to get my free shipping, I ordered a couple of other extra little things, so that's fine. So this has got the, by itself it comes with a little foam pad and a little bit of paper. So I ordered myself some paper. Don't know what I'm going to do with everything yet. I got this in case I decide I want to change from the hot pink. This is very expensive, so. And I got the plastic Clean and Shine. Now this did not come with the MISTI itself. This is what I added onto my order, because I figured if I'm ordering this, I want to be able to clean it. I can't get any of these products here in Canada properly without costing an arm and a leg. So I ordered them with my MISTI, and I ordered 2 of those, and I got 1 fine scratch remover. I've yet to find an instruction booklet. I'm hoping there's instructions somewhere, because I know there's a lot of people who talk about that hedgehog gal. She talks a lot about this staying clean, so I'm going to have to look that up again. But I got these. I got 2 pads of the paper, and I got 2 mouse pads because I wanted them. And I had seen them use something else, so I wanted to make sure I got all my stuff that I wanted to get. So I saw that I wanted to get it. I found it for a good price on the Sweet Petunia website. I know that Gina K had it for sale as well. But some things were not available at the time of ordering on Gina K, so I went with the Sweet Petunia website so I could get everything and pay a couple dollars more for one thing. I don't remember what it was, but for me it was worth it to not have to wait, because waiting is not fun. And anyone who says it is fun is lying to you. So, what are we going to make with it today? Oh, my goodness, I'm not even in the camera. Okay, what are we going to make with this beauty today? You have to excuse my lights. Without them, we wouldn't be able to see anything. See? It's just not quite the same. So, I, for Christmas, was given a membership by my son and daughter-in-law to Annie's Card Making Kit of the Month Club. And they gave me a happy birthday. It's your birthday. So I thought, why not? Because it's my birthday. I'll look at this and see about making my own card. Well, would this then be a review of my MISTI and them? Perhaps I'll just pause the video, start it again, and then I will do both. Why not, right? Okay. My Sweet Petunias, MISTI. Now I gotta figure out how to turn the camera off. Or stop the record button. There's a record button too.